How to close a program that is not responding on Windows. Hello everyone and welcome back to Protect Tutor. Every computer user at some point will likely have to deal with a program that just stops responding where the application simply freezes or hangs. In this video, we're going to tackle this common frustration: how to close a program that's not responding on your Windows PC. We've all been there, and I'm here to help you resolve this issue. To close a program that's frozen on Windows, just simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus S keys simultaneously on your keyboard to directly open the Task Manager. Or otherwise, you can just go to Windows on the bottom left corner of your screen and search for Task Manager on the search bar. Click on Task Manager from the menu that appears. In Task Manager, go to the Applications tab. Find the unresponsive program in the list. In my case, the Adobe Premiere Pro 2022 program is currently not responding, thus I will click on it, and then what you need to do is to click the End Task button at the bottom right. Once you have clicked on the End Task, the unresponsive program should have closed immediately. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Protect Tutor for more tech tutorials and Windows tips.